Equity is a fair distribution of different shifts that take into account the nature of the tasks, time when these tasks need to be done, the specific conditions related to each task, and each physician's personal preferences. For example, a physician who is on contract with a hospital may require a different schedule, or it could happen that a physician prefers to work during the weekends. To foster a more equitable schedule, the planner and the group have to be aware of the importance of equity. A more equitable physician schedule eliminates the perceptions of unfairness or favoritism, improves group dynamics, and can even prevent physician burnouts. Because each medical team has its own reality, physicians must agree on the equity factors they wish to take into account. These equity factors might be, for example, evening hours, weekends, holidays, or on-call tasks, and much more. The group must also agree on the exception of the equity rules, particularly concerning personal preferences, personal obligation, and pre-existing contractual arrangements. However, when the time comes to create a schedule, it isn't always easy to follow all these established equity rules and exceptions, especially when the schedule is created manually and there are a lot of rules to consider. This is why we recommend an automated planning tool that takes equity into account, like the one developed by PetalMD. Our automated scheduling tool includes key functionalities like automated equity planning, the prioritization of equity rules, team equity management, and many other features which produce an optimal schedule while respecting equity. To learn more about the features of this solution, do not hesitate to contact us.